We're turning to the latest on the coronavirus. Tomorrow morning, thousands of public school employees will be wearing black to protest the way schools are operating.
And the governor is also trying to address the situation by issuing an executive order allowing retired teachers to be hired back. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Christian Colon is outside the State Department of Education with more on how this will all go down tomorrow. Christian.
Hi there, Mark and Aaron. Yeah, like you said, thousands of school employees are expected to protest tomorrow by wearing black to hopefully see change. They are asking for supplies like masks and rapid tests. And when it comes to the governor's orders, well, he is allowing states, local districts to rehire retired staff. And when it comes to current teachers, they tell me tonight that this is just a small Band-Aid on top of a very big problem.
The school days after the holiday break have been everything but jolly.
When they have their mask on, they think they don't have to keep it above your nose at all times when you really do. Second thing is when people are playing, like, let's say tag or hide and seek or anything like that, they're like getting way too close to like touch each other.
Marvia's mom Malika says she's gotten about 10 messages warning her someone's positive at the school over the past few weeks. A concerning situation felt across the state, so teachers want action.
Teachers want to be reassured with resources to make sure that we can mitigate the virus as much as possible. So first, we need access to N95 or KN95 masks.
Masks, access to rapid and PCR tests, and the ability to go temporarily remote are the main resources teachers are urging the state to give them. According to a survey including more than 5,500 public school employees in Connecticut, more than 60% of them say they don't feel they have the supplies and protocols in place to feel safe performing their job. But towns like Windsor have handed out supplies. That second grade teacher Jendelsky says it's not enough.
Each teacher only received one of these masks.
Because public school employees are getting sick, staff shortages are common. So the governor tonight issued an executive order that will eliminate some hiring restrictions and will allow schools to re-employ retired teachers.
It's a small Band-Aid for a really, really big problem. You know, it is a possible solution, you know, but I don't know that that's something that's going to, you know, fix when you have 30 to 40 teachers out in one building.
A big problem parents say they are also going through.
A lot of students can't afford masks. A lot of parents can't afford to get masks for their children, you know, and a lot of people can't afford to get tested.
And we did get a response for the Department of Education tonight. A spokesperson tells us, quote, over 1 million tests have been distributed specifically for schools over the past week, and the distribution at the local level is up to the individual districts working with their cities and towns. To date, more than 5 million N95 masks have been distributed, with many of them committed for educators. And we are still waiting to hear back on their response when it comes to the protest tomorrow. Any updates, we'll make sure to post them on the Channel 3 app. In Hartford tonight, Christian Colon, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.